All right, how you doing, Adriana? I want to give you a couple things to set up the course. It's ready to go. First thing is, here's your Meet Your Teaching Assistant. Make sure that your picture works right here. This is from the spring course. Make sure you have an email address as well. All this is perfect right here. What you do, just add your email address, change the picture, and make sure to include what you're available for in office hours. You'll be fine with regard to that. They don't text you or nothing, but it at least gives you where your hours. So let's go to the course. When you're already enrolled in the course, click on the syllabus right here. Now what I want you to do is you're gonna right mouse click on all of these, open in separate tabs, because the date might be incorrect. Here's what I need you to do every quiz, and this is what I do. Open them all up as separate tabs, and then just work off of it and press, and then close it when you're done. Press edit right here. You're going to do a couple things. You're going to change the due date right here and the until date. So that matches the syllabus. That takes 2 seconds. And make sure that this is the only thing that's checked right here. Let me see here. Let me see if I unmark this. Hold on real quick. Hold on, let me check something real quick. So just make sure this is marked, nothing else is marked, just this one right here. And then what you'll do is change the date right here, press save. And you'll do it for both courses. And I would just open this, go to the syllabus tab, open my syllabus, open all of these as separate tabs, change the due dates, you'll be done. It should only take you I would say maybe 5-10 minutes. Then once you're done, just send me an email. Thanks.